Good morning. Good morning, kids. Okay, babies. So this week full, we are talking about plant. Am I right? Yes, we are studying about the plant. We studied the parts of the plant. Next, we studied the types of the plant also. Am I right? Yes. Every day we are talking about the plant. Anybody have doubt? Anybody have doubt? Ma'am, where does it come from the plant? Where does it come from the plant? Then how it's growing? Anybody have doubt? Yes or no? Yes, I know everybody have doubt about the plant. So actually the plant comes from the seed. The plant comes from the seed. First, let me show the germination chart over here. See, the plant comes from the seed. The plant comes from the seed. Okay, kids, this is a germination activity, this one. So, first let me say, what is a germination? Okay, kids, the process of seed. See this seed, everybody? This one is a real seed. See here, the process of seed turning into a plant. The process of seed turning into a plant is called germination. Okay, kids? See, first for germination, first we need to put the seed in the soil. See here, ma'am, I am putting the seed inside the soil. Next, see what is this part? Tell me everybody. This is a seed. This is a seed. Next, after the seed, which part will grow? First, I am putting the seed, Which part will grow in the soil? Yes. After the seed, so from the seed, what's the first part will come in the soil? Yes. Root. Everybody say root. Next, after the root, which plant come from the seed? Come on. After the seed, which part will come in the seed? First, root will come. Next, after that, stem. See, stem. Next, see here. Root, stem, afterwards, leaf and bud. See, after the bud, it becomes a flower. It becomes a flower. So, in the soil, if you put the seed, means the first part will grow. Which part will grow? Root. Next, after the root, stem. Next, after the stem, leaf, bud. Then from the bud only, we can get a flower. Okay, kids? Ma'am, now I am going to do the germination activity for you. What is a germination? Everybody say, what is a germination? So, for germination, first we need to put the seed in the moisture soil. We need to put the moisture soil. Then the seed will grow like a plant. After that the seed will grow like a plant. That is a germination. Okay, for germination activity, see, ma'am, I am doing the germination now. So everybody, you have to do the germination activity at your home. See, for that, what are the needed things for this germination activity? So first, everybody, you should take the transparent jar. See, ma'am, I have taken transparent jar over here. So why I am telling to take the transparent? See here, it should be visible. It should be visible in outside. So then only you can observe the root. You can observe the root. Okay, kids? So for that, I have taken one transparent jar. Then moistured soil. See this soil, everybody? This soil should be moisture. Everybody say moisture. In Tamil we'll say no. Eeramana mannan solvoma illaya? Yes. You have to take the moisture soil. Next, transparent jar. Next, I have taken the green gram seed. So, I have taken green gram seed. So, previous day itself, you have to soak this seed in the water. See this seed, everybody? You have to soak this seed inside the water. So, previous day night, you should be soak this seed Then the next day you can take and you can sieve the seed in the soil. Okay kids, first in the jar you have to fill it with, see ma'am, I am filling the sand inside this jar. Everybody look at here. Yes, come on. I am filling the moistured soil inside the jar. Come on, everybody look at here. Moistured soil. So then only it will be grow well, baby. Everybody, you fill with jar in the moistured soil. Moistured soil. See, I'm filling, see. Yes, see. Come on. Next, after filling this soil, next you have to sieve the seed. You have to sieve the seed. See, ma'am, I am going to put some seeds in this soil. I am sieving the seed inside the soil. Everybody look at here. So now I am putting green gram seed. You can take any grind seed at your home which is available for you. See, so in this green gram seed means you can see the root, stem, leaf also. Okay kids. So now I am sieving the green gram seed in the soil. Okay baby, see here. Okay, next afterwards just little bit just mix with that soil. See, mix with that soil. So lightly mix with that soil. See here. Yes, very good. See here. Next, afterwards, you have to sprinkle the water in this pot. You have to sprinkle the water. You have to sprinkle the water in this pot. Okay, kids, see here. See, ma'am, I am sprinkling the water. See, don't pour the water forcefully, baby. Okay, these are the very tiny seeds. So everybody, you have to just sprinkle the water. Sprinkling. Okay. Okay kids, see. So this is a germination activity. Okay kids, this is a germination activity. So at your home, everybody, you can take any transparent cup also. Transparent cup, whatever you have a transparent jar, and you first you take that one and fill with the moistured soil. Then you have to put the soaked seed. Soaked seed. You have to put it and sprinkle the water. Then you have to, it will from the seed only we are getting the plant, So daily you have to sprinkle the water. Then first you have to observe which part will grow from the seed. Okay kids, this is your weekend activity. Everybody, so Saturday and Sunday, everybody you will be free, Yes, you have to do this germination activity at your home. Then you after growing, so first day, the first day it will grow a root, You have to observe that one. So each and every day you have to observe and you take the photo and send it to me. Okay kids? Then you have to sprinkle the water also. Okay kids?
Careful, tiger. Don't destroy the plants. Even they have life. I am a plant, your friends are green. All around you I am seen. My main parts are the stems and roots, leaves, colorful flowers and fruits. We are roots, underground we grow. In search of water, deeper we go. We suck water through our walls and fix the plant so it doesn't fall. I am a stem and because of me a plant can stand upright, you see. I connect all parts with the roots, to them I supply water and food. I am a leaf, I'm mostly green. In many shapes and sizes I'm seen. I cook food for the plant in sunlight. Just like you, I breathe day and night. I am a flower with petals so bright, scented, colorful or white. I have very sweet nectar in me that's loved by birds, butterflies and bees. I am a fruit from a flower I grow. I have seeds in me that you sow. I taste sour when I'm unripe, juicy and sweet when I am ripe. I'm so sorry. I'll try to be more careful next time.